Hi everyone, welcome back to the Morrocco Method YouTube channel. To start off, a thank you is in order to you because we have just reached 3 million views along with 10,000 subscribers. If it wasn't for you, we would not be here doing what we're doing. So thank you so much for your continued support from myself and the entire Morrocco Method team. So today's video is going to be all about our boar bristle brush. This includes the pure boar bristle brush along with the mixed nylon and boar bristle brush. I'm going to show you how to clean your brush, how to use your brush, and what these two different brushes are useful for. Let's start off with taking a good look at the boar bristle brush. With me, I have the large mixed nylon and boar bristle brush, and what you will notice if you look at it up close is that the boar bristles form very tight junctions, and what this allows is for the bristles to cling to the oil and carry it through your hair as you brush through the length of your hair, so from the root all the way to the ends, which I will demonstrate shortly. And this really makes the brush unique and effective, both as a dry shampoo method and as a detangler. As I'm brushing my hair, you'll notice that I'm hinging at the waist and inverting my head. This really helps with blood flow to the scalp, as well as putting you in a good position to brush from the nape of your neck down to the ends. The nape of your neck is a good place to start because that is where the majority of your oil glands sit, and you will notice that that is often where you get the most oily. Thus, when you start there and work towards the ends, you are truly dispersing the oil evenly through the length of your hair. After you've brushed and inverted, feel free to flip your hair back over and start to detangle and style your hair. I do recommend, if you have longer hair, to start at the ends of your hair, detangle there first, and then work up towards your roots. This will help you to prevent any breakage. If you find that your hair still feels a little bit oily and gunky after brushing one time, you can do a couple of things. You can either repeat that again, or you can use our scalp massager to massage your entire head. This will really help lift the oils off of your scalp, especially if you haven't shampooed in many days. And then after that, brush again and style at the end of it. So here's how to clean your boar bristle brush. First, remove all the hair with your fingers. Another thing that I will tell you that is, I feel like this is kind of a tip that I created and discovered. I keep this comb close by. It comes in our blunt snip haircutting kit, and it is actually a very useful tool for cleaning your boar bristle brush. You're gonna want warm water, your boar bristle brush, and then your comb. My preferred soap to use is our shampoo bar. I like to suds it up within my hands and my fingertips, and then use it to massage through the bristles to get out all of the buildup and gunk that is accrued in my brush. I really like using our shampoo bar as a cleaning method for the brush. One, this really ensures that the soap formulation is ideal for your hair, so if there's any residual soap and it comes into contact with your hair, it's a good fit. And I only have a little bit of my shampoo bar left because I use it every day. I also use it as a face wash, and it's really neat that it comes in handy for cleaning your boar bristle brush. Next, I like to use the comb, and I like to brush towards me. This allows the bristles to flick all of the hair, debris, and water away from you so that you don't splash it in your face. You don't need to brush too deeply. In fact, really short, frequent strokes really seems to help and lift any hairs that are buried a little bit deeper. Dry the brush with the bristles facing down. If you're having a hard time deciding if you should get the pure boar bristle brush or the mixed nylon and boar bristle brush, the main differences to consider are that the nylon bristles, which extend a little bit longer than the boar bristles, really help to detangle. So if your hair is longer than shoulder length, similar to mine, you would find this helpful. If you don't need as much detangling power, but you do want help with distributing the oils from the root to the tip of your hair, I would recommend the pure boar bristle brush. Also know that we do have each of the brushes in two different sizes, a large and a travel size. The travel size fits easier into DOP kits or travel bags, purses, and the large size is more suitable for home use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful and it helps you feel empowered to use your boar bristle brush at home. Thank you so much again for helping us reach this incredible milestone. We are so grateful for our community. We love you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below, or any comments at all. We love to hear from you, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy hair content. Bye!